Hello, and thank you for joining me once again for this series, Ideas from the Heart, dedicated to Valentine's Day, which is next Friday. So, for this vlog, what I'll attempt to do is make strawberry truffles. And I haven't made these for about 3 years ago, and I'm going to attempt to do those again. And I'm sitting here hoping that they come out just the way that I've intended them to do. I do apologize for my neighbor's dogs barking. It seems like there's something out there that's making them trying to say hello to you as well. So let's get started. And Until then, bye for now. We first start with white chocolate. We now add essence of strawberry and vanilla. Natural food coloring. And now this goes in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes or so. I now dip them in a bit of powdered sugar. These are extremely delicate. They're not too sweet, and in a perfect texture. And yummy strawberries too. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.